G'day guys, welcome back to another video. So in this one I'm going to be showing you guys how to play Flash games from 2021 and beyond. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to go to Control Panel to actually uninstall Flash Player. You want to go to Programs, you want to go to Programs and Features, and you'll see here that Adobe Flash Player 32 is here. Now you want to uninstall this because it's really incompatible now because Flash Player is pretty much dead. So you want to uninstall that, double click on that, press yes, then press uninstall and it will be currently uninstalling it from it. Then press done and you can get out of this. Now what you want to do is you want to go to Chrome and you want to type in this website. Now I'll put a link in the description of this actual website. Press yes, enter. Now this is a flash patcher. Now the flash patcher actually patches up the time bomb, that kind of kills off Flash in the 31st of December. So what you want to do is you want to actually install an older version of Flash so that it actually works. So you want to go to Internet Explorer for this one because I haven't been able to find out how to make Chrome and Firefox work for some reason. I don't know why it doesn't work. So that will be currently installing. And then what you also need to install is the Flash Patcher. Now, before you actually install it, you want to go to Settings and you want to go to Privacy and Security and go to Security. And you want to go to No Protection because if you don't turn this on, then it'll actually stop it from downloading. Now this program is actually completely harmless and it won't infect your PC with viruses or anything, but it just says it because the computer thinks it's bad for your computer. So you want to press on this application here and it will normally say there, do you want to keep this file, and just press keep. So that's all done there. This will be like 20 megabytes in storage, so that's cool. And you want to change your security back to enhanced if you want to. I just like to do that so I don't get any viruses. So I'll wait for that to install. There we go, it is installed. Now what you want to do is you want to go to the File Explorer and you want to go to Install Flash Player. Now you want to download, you want to close down your stuff so that the program actually works. Now before you actually run this Install Flash Player, you want to actually right click on it and you want to go to Properties. Now you want to go to Compatibility and you want to change this to Windows 7. Now I've already set it to that, but you can just press on the Run this program in compatibility mode right here and you just change from Windows 8 to Windows 7 because the program only runs in Windows 7. Now what you want to do is you want to double click on this and press yes. Then you want to press I have read to agree the terms of Flash Player license agreement, whatever, blah blah blah. Press install. It's currently installing. Then what you want to click is you want to click never check for updates because you don't really want that to happen. You don't want to really make it go extinct kind of thing. And press done. Now that will install an older version of Flash. Now what you want to do is you want to install the Flash Patcher. Now just double click on this and it will come up with this bad file. It'll come up with a red screen. Now this is completely harmless, just don't worry, and press run anyway and press yes. Now it thinks it's a virus computer because it's a patcher for Flash, but it's actually completely harmless, as I've already said. Now what you want to do is you want to press defuse the bomb and it will say here patched, your Flash should be working now. Now if it doesn't do this straight away, just close down your browsers and it should work. Now press OK, click out of this and your Flash should be working now. So just type in Internet Explorer because it doesn't work with any others for some reason, I don't know why. And I'll just show you how some clips of it working.